Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's going on. What are your energies, Leos? So on your side we have the Judgment. So definitely you are wanting to take a decision, or you are wanting some sort of a reconciliation, a decision regarding that, maybe a second chance or something, but definitely it is something major which you are wanting to have, or you are waiting for it, something like that. So let's see what's there on your person side. So on your person side we have the Six of Pentacles. So something is getting balanced, or there is a need to balance something in this relationship. Let's see what is the most likely outcome in this connection. The Chariot. Okay, things get rolling pretty fast, things will be okay, and this relationship will move ahead as far as these three cards are concerned. Okay, so let's have the clarifiers. What is this Judgment about for the Leos? Why is this Judgment card here for the Leos? So for the Judgment we have the World, the Justice, something major going on, Leos, and the Six of Wands. Okay, so what I feel here is, with the Judgment, it is a time that you are taking a major decision. Some major decision is being taken in your life, and it's, to me it looks like closure of something and opening up a new chapter of your life, or some new beginning. The Justice and the Judgment together, what I feel is, either some sort of a reality has come up, so you've come to know the truth, or this decision was pending because of some, in light of some truth, or these things are now sorted out or balanced, and you are feeling very happy and good about it. So ultimately here with the Six of Wands, you are successful, or you're happy, you are celebrating it. So this decision seems to me like things have really balanced. It is something which you were wanting. Maybe there is some sort of a decision which you were planning to take, or you were expecting the other person to take in this relationship, and this was, perhaps it can be some sort of a major reconciliation, because it can be a blast from the past. But yes, it is definitely moving in ahead with life after winding off or closing off something old. But yes, you are feeling very happy about it. What is the Six of Pentacles about? Why is this Six of Pentacles here on the person side? Okay, we have the Eight of Swords, the Seven of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles. So this person is, I think this person is trying to sort out their own life. This person is focusing on themselves, and with the Hermit being next, this person is trying to sort out their own life. Okay, there is something which they are holding, they have something which holds them back. It's not easy for them to get rid of that baggage or something like that which is hurting them. With the Seven of Wands, they are struggling to deal with this situation, whatever this situation is, be it with you, be with the other something else in life. But yes, this person is definitely struggling with something, and it is having a hard time coming out of it. It can be their own mindset, it can be some experience which is holding them back or tying them down, but yes, they are struggling with it and trying to come out of it. It's not that they are not trying to do so. With the Queen of Pentacles and the Hermit, yes, this person is totally focusing on themselves and trying to sort out their own life. Actually, they are working on themselves basically. They are, maybe they are not even investing in you at this point in time, but this person is ready. Yes, they are working on themselves. They are trying to sort out their life, and they are being very meditative and intuitive, and it is all about self-focus. So this balance with the Six of Pentacles, what I feel is this: they are trying to balance their own life over here. The most likely outcome is the Chariot. So things will be sorted out, things will be balanced. We have the Justice here and the Chariot. So I think things will move forward in the balanced way. Let's see what is this Chariot about. Again, for the Chariot, again we have the Chariot. So things will really move very fast. With the King of Cups, there are a lot of emotions here in this relationship, and with the Lovers being next. So we have a lot of major cards out here. There is a lot of passion in this connection. Page of Cups, yes, there's some person is opening up in this relationship, though Somebody here seems to be very, very guarded and defensive, though this person is waiting for some sort of a communication to come in. Then we have the Tower and the King of Wands. So maybe unexpectedly somebody shows up, because what I feel here is, see, what I feel here is things will get going, things will move forward because the love is there. But the thing is, in spite of feelings being there, somebody here is not, you people are not talking to each other. That's what I feel somehow. It's coming up in the mutual energy with the Queen of Swords. Somebody here is defensive, not investing. Maybe this is this person, because this person is focusing on themselves. And with the Tower and the King of Wands, I think this person may show up unexpectedly. Okay, and then since you are trying to take a decision over here for something, maybe this is what you've been waiting for since a long time with the Judgment. It is the rebirth of the blast from the past. So it is that things are now getting balanced and sorted out, because this person have been dealing with something here. Okay, and once they are done with this, once they are done with this self work which they are doing on themselves, this person will show up. I think rather unexpectedly they will show up in your life, and immediately the things will start moving forward. So once they are able to deal with whatever they are dealing with in their life, and they are realizing that they have love for you, passion is definitely there. With the Page of Cups, they are showing up. But here somebody here is just waiting for the person to come in, and I think unexpectedly this person shows up. That's what I'm getting. Since there is a lot of passion, there is a lot of love in this relationship, unexpectedly this person may show up. And that is why once they show up unexpectedly, and maybe after a long time, perhaps you've been waiting for this person since a long time, things will immediately pick up pace in this relationship. Let's see what is the message from the universe. Demonstrate love. Find out what is important to those you love and act on it. Number 48 may be of some significance for you. So Leos, somehow I feel like I just want to see if I get some more messages over here as far as this world and the Justice and the Six of Wands situation is concerned. Some more messages on this situation, please. Okay, so we have the Five of Cups here, the Nine of Cups, and the Ten of Swords. So you've been upset for in this situations which you are trying to sort out or balance, or which you are wanting a decision on or justice on. Okay, so this is something which you were upset about, and here with the Nine of Cups and the Ten of Swords, I think once this balance is restored, you are getting your ultimate happiness and your wishes are being fulfilled. And once your wishes are being fulfilled, you are able to leave the situation behind and you're feeling liberated. You are done with whatever was holding back this relationship, and you feel liberated and happy. Your wishes are being fulfilled. So what I feel is that maybe it can be some sort of a legal decision also over here with the Judgment and Justice. Maybe it is actually something legal about it. It can be as simple as that. But whatever it is definitely making you upset, but your wishes are being fulfilled once this decision is being made. You are with the World and the Ten of Swords. This chapter is definitely coming to a closure, and you will be moving forward and moving ahead in your life. You are feeling liberated and you are feeling happy and relaxed, I should say. Once this decision is made, I think unexpectedly this person may show up in your life, and things may get sorted out and pick up pace very fast. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.